Our Santa Fe GLS is loaded with goodness at a price that's sure to please value-minded shoppers. Nobody can really expect an SUV, even one built using a stiff unibody, to handle as well as a sedan. However, the Hyundai Santa Fe comes mighty close. The GLS trim means this one comes very well equipped with the things that matter most: privacy glass, heated mirrors, keyless entry, cruise control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, and still more. Our Santa Fe is only a little smaller than a Toyota Highlander, but it costs a lot less. Judging from Hyundai's performance in J.D. Power and Associates quality studies, Hyundai's vehicles are right there in terms of quality and reliability as well. If you're in the market for a suburban utility vehicle, with a tidy size, good versatility, nice styling, responsive performance, commendable fuel economy, a generous list of appealing features, this one should be included on your shopping list. Print this page and call us now for your personalized test drive towards ownership. Please call and ask for Leo Rossier for more information or special pricing. All Hyundais 6 years old or newer with less than 60k miles and Subarus 5 years old or newer with less than 80k miles are pre-certified. Additional charge for certifying.